What they will expect, they have to understand that we are in the preparation till now. So therefore for us it's important to adapt, for especially the players who are especially new, to adapt totally to my view of football. So and for us it's there in Mauritius important not only to have a good result, also to play good football. And therefore I can say that I think we will go on in 2 matches to win. So and for the football fans I have also to say, really our team and including me, we miss them because we want also to play at home, but it was in this period not possible. I hope soon we can come together and play in front of our fans.